It is commencement day here at Auburn University. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in the midst of commencement ceremony right here in Auburn, Alabama at Auburn University. These are the Auburn Tigers, and it is literally a beautiful day out here. Congratulations to all the class of 2021 graduates. So with that being said, today we're gonna roll around campus. It's a little bit more packed than it is usually with my other videos, but we're gonna roll around campus and see what Auburn has to offer. So y'all, we're not gonna waste any more time. So let's go ahead, let's waste no time. Now let's check it out. Yo, people are literally like looking at me and it is so freaking crazy. Y'all, since we're already here, we're gonna start right here at the Hare Stadium. So behind me is the Hare Stadium, and this actually is the 10th largest on-campus stadium in the nation. So this is where they're gonna have the commencement ceremony, and this is also where they play their football games, and yeah, right here at the Hare Stadium. So our next stop today is going to be the Hare Melton Student Center. Now this is the student center where pretty much everybody, all the students, they come, they have different food places like Chick-fil-A, Steak and Shake, it's called Auburn, A-U-B-O. I don't know how to say it properly, but all of that is here. You have the information desk, you have student affairs, you have a game room. There are literally so many things here. This is where you're gonna congregate with your friends. You have an information desk, so if you need help with anything, campus maps, everything is gonna be in here with this at the student center. So y'all, let's go ahead. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, so let's. Behind me, we have the Auburn Arena. Now, the Auburn Arena was a $81 million or $86 million facility, and it also is home to the men and women's basketball Tigers. Right here, this is where they play their home games, along with the volleyball and gymnastic teams. So this is gonna be all right here in the Auburn Arena. And literally right next to the Auburn Arena, we have the Campus Recreation and Wellness Center. Now this is such an awesome center. It has an aquatic pool. It also has the gym. Everything fitness and wellness related is gonna be right here inside of the Recreation and Wellness Center. So it's literally like a whole athletic complex because you have the Auburn Arena, and then you also have the stadium, and then you have the Recreation and Wellness Center right behind me. So all your fitness needs are gonna be right in the same little cul-de-sac kind of thing. So I know you may be asking, okay, how do I get around this huge campus? So we have the War Eagle bike share. This is one option. You have bikes here that you can, this is the directions. You reserve, you release, you ride, and then you return. And then you also have the campus shuttles that will take you around campus. And I'm putting that map right here. And yeah, sorry if I'm standing weird. I'm trying to get right in line with the thing. So yeah, so that's a few ways to get around campus. Of course, if you have a car and all that good stuff. So that's the way to navigate around Auburn University campus. And of course, you have 2 feet you can walk. All right, so behind me, we have Quad Center. It's closed right now, but in here is where you have your undergraduate admissions. This is also where you have your campus tours, but this is also where you're gonna have, what else they got in here? They got restrooms in here. They have the VP for enrollment suite, the quad mail room. So yeah, this is gonna be right here in the Quad Center, and it's by residence hall. So they have the Helen Keller residence halls, which is a all-female residence hall, and then they have, it's literally like everybody's moving out. I'm gonna show y'all right now, hold on. So yeah, as you can see, everybody's packing up to move out, and yeah. because it's the end of the year now. So everybody's moving out. But yeah, so this is gonna be the quad center right here. Looks a little raggedy right now. Yo, when I tell you it is literally so freaking hot out here. Like, it's so freaking hot out here. And then we gotta walk everywhere. Whew. Georgia, where you at? Behind me, we have the Hare Center, which is the home to the College of Education. And right by the Hare Center, we also have the Auburn University bookstore. So this is where you're gonna get your books, you have campus merch, and all that's gonna be right here at the Auburn University campus bookstore. And for all of my engineering students, those interested in engineering, here is your center right here. The Brown Koppel Engineering Student Achievement Center. So this is where you're gonna probably spend a lot of your time because you know that's your passion, it's where you're gonna be at. So it's a really nice center around here, and yeah. And for all my business majors, you'll be right here at Louder Hall, and this is the Raymond Herbert College of Business. It's gonna be right here at y'all, that ends our journey here at Auburn University in Auburn, Alabama. Thank you so much for checking out yet another video of Campus Tours with your host, Nicholas Ramsey. I really hope y'all that I was able to help roll around this campus to show you all if this may or may not be a good fit for you. But y'all, the decision is up to you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section and I'll be able to probably help you. If not, I can most definitely try to point you in the direction of, you know, where your question is headed. But y'all, thank you so much once again. Please make sure you all like, please like right now. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest episodes, any content that's posted, you'll be the first to know. So y'all, thank you once again, and until next Campus Tours episode, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.